Are you looking for the best pool toys? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best pool toys on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Gosports Splash Hoop. On the more expensive side, the Splash Hoop from Gosports is a sturdy hoop made of thick plastic with a weighted base. The 34 by 25 inch backboard and 14-inch rim are specially engineered to withstand pool play, and it can withstand a little rough housing. Assembly is required, but it takes about 5 minutes to complete, making the hoop ready for use the same day. It includes 2 balls and a pump, and comes in either red or blue. The only complaint that we found is that the paint might flake off, but this doesn't affect performance and seems like more of an aesthetic issue than anything else. Pros: solid build quality. Thick, real rubber mini basketballs. Available in 3 colors. Cons: some complained of flaking paint. Number 2. 3Bs and Me magnetic boats. These numbered boats are a great way to help children with their counting, imagination, and motor skills and are perfect for playing in the pool or bath. Colorful and well balanced in the buoyancy department, these little boats are small enough for tiny hands and offer hours of pretend play. The included magnets are said to be strong enough to keep boats connected but not too strong where kids have trouble playing with them individually. Parents are pleased with the quality and price point of this boat set and their kids are instantly obsessed. Pros: well balanced. Encourages learning. Cons: may hold water. Number 3. Wababa Ball Pro Water Bouncing Balls Pool Toys. Perfect for all ages, these water bouncing balls from Wababa are great for either the pool or at the beach. With the ability to bounce across the water, these balls come in a 2-pack and are made up of a patented 3-layer design that easily skips across the water at long distances. And they're pretty small, making them easy to transport to your destination and store when you aren't using them. Pros: fun for all ages. They bounce far. Cons: none that we could find. Number 4. Prextex Pool Diving Toys. The set includes 4 diving rings, 5 octopuses, 5 numbered torpedo bandits, 5 diving toy balls, and 5 diving fish. Made of durable yet soft plastic, these toys have a rough edge design that makes for easy gripping. Offering a great variety at an inexpensive price, this 24-piece diving toy set is great for all ages. Reviews mention that their children love playing with them and they like that they're soft enough so they won't cause any damage if anyone accidentally gets bonked in the head. The quality is said to be so-so, but as far as diving toys at this price, we wouldn't pass by them. Pros: inexpensive. Great for all ages. Cons: mixed reviews on quality.